How to draw king cobra. We start with sketch. A simple sketch. What is a king cobra? The king cobra, one of the most venomous snakes on the planet, can literally stand up and look a full-grown person in the eye. When confronted, they can lift up to a third of its body off the ground and still move forward to attack. Fortunately, king cobras are shy and will avoid humans whenever possible. It will also flare its iconic hood and emit a hiss that sounds almost like a growling dog. King cobras live mainly in the rainforests and plains of India, southern China, and Southeast Asia. Their venom is not the most potent among venomous snakes, but the amount of neurotoxin they can deliver in a single bite. Yeah, this drawing now is finishing. I hope you all love this drawing. Thanks for watching.